Tiwala si Pangulong Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. na magagampanan ni Brigadier General Jesus Nelson Morales ang kanyang tungkulin bilang bagong hepe ng Presidential Security Group. Yan ang ulat ni Kenneth Pasyente.
Palit liderato na ang Presidential Security Group. Matapos kasi ang isang taong panunungkulan, ipinasa na ni outgoing PSG Commander Brigadier General Ramon Zagala ang responsibilidad sa bagong leader nito na si Philippine Air Force Brigadier General Jesus Nelson Morales. Mismong si Pangulong Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. ang nanguna sa change of command. Ipinaabot nito ang kanyang pasasalamat kay Brigadier General Zagala sa pagbibigay seguridad nito sa Pangulo at First Family. Gayon din ang pangunguna nito sa mga inisyatiba para sa pagpapabuti ng PSG at maituring ito bilang isa sa mga pinakamagagaling na protektor sa bansa.
To further enhance the group's capabilities, you have led the acquisition of advanced and modern equipment under the multi-year Material Capability Development Plan of 2022 to 2028. There are also ongoing improvements in the PSG headquarters. With that being said, I wish you well and all the best in your new assignment as a commander of the AFP Civil Relations Service.
Lubos naman ang pasasalamat ni Zagala sa oportunidad na ibinigay sa kanya. Ipinagmalaki niya ang mga napagtagumpayan ng PSG, lalo na ang pagprotekta hindi lamang sa Pangulo, kundi pati na rin sa mga high-ranking official na bumibisita sa bansa.
To the PSG troopers, maraming salamat. You have fought a good fight. You have proven yourself impressive in all aspects. I urge you to continue what we have started and cultivate yourself even more. I am happy to work with all of you, and I share with you both the bliss and sacrifices of this job that we have sworn to protect.
Tiwala naman si Pangulong Marcos Jr. sa liderato ni Morales dahil sa kakayahan nito at karanasan niya sa Air Force.
I certainly look forward to working with you. Let me likewise take the opportunity to express my gratitude to our valiant officers and troops. I trust that you will fully support General Morales just as you did General Zagala, with your hallmark integrity, service, and excellence. Together, let us continue to perform our duties to the best of our ability.
Tiniyak naman ng incoming PSG commander na ipagpapatuloy nito ang magandang record ng institusyon. Gayon din ang pagpapalakas pa ng kakayahan ng PSG personnel sa pamamagitan ng trainings, pagpapalakas ng interagency cooperation at ang pagpapataas ng moral ng PSG troops.
We will conduct activities that will promote unit cohesiveness and camaraderie and engage in initiatives that will boost personal morale, and we will ensure that everyone feels valued and motivated.
Bago ang kanyang pagkakatalaga sa PSG, nanungkulan si Morales bilang commander ng Air Logistic Command ng Philippine Air Force. Epektibo ang kanyang pagkakatalaga sa PSG nitong October 16. Kenneth Pasyente, para sa Bayan.